Hello, welcome back to Chaleese Bakes Cakes. Today we are going to make some super fun and cute and easy Frankenstein cupcakes. All you need to bake your cupcakes is obviously your baked cupcakes. I made them green just because I mean it's Frankenstein. You don't have to do this. This is just preference of mine. We need obviously our buttercream. I also dyed this green. I'm using the tip 4B for this guy. You can use any tip will work. I just thought this one would be kind of fun. We also have our sprinkles, Frankenstein sprinkles. They are absolutely the most cutest sprinkles. So I'm excited to use these. We have our eyeballs, Wilton eyeballs. I got these at Walmart and they're pretty cute and I think they'll be good for our Frankenstein eyes. Also, I've got some little baby Tootsie Rolls. These guys I'm gonna cut in half. I'll show you, we'll do it together, and I'm gonna put them on the side so they'll be like Frankenstein's bolts. Super cute. So I'm excited to get started today. We're gonna make some fun Halloween Frankenstein cupcakes. So let's do this. So we're gonna start off by cutting our Tootsie Rolls in half. Just get a little knife. And we just cut them in half like that. Frankenstein needs to have bolts. Okay, so we've got our Tootsie Rolls cut in half. Now we need our, push these over here for just a second. And now let's pipe on our buttercream. So just to start out, we just kind of pressure, go up, and release. Make sure you keep the same amount of pressure all the way up and then let go. Pressure, same amount, and lift. Okay. Now we've got Frankenstein. They're very cute and green. I like them. Okay, so let's do, we've got our bolts, we've got our eyeballs. Maybe we should stick those on really quick. So let's stick on his eyes. Good, okay. Stick on his eyes. You can put them wherever you want. Like I said, it's all about just having fun with these little guys, and whatever you choose to do, it will be perfect. Okay, so now he's got eyes. Let's stick on his little bolts. Gently stick those in that buttercream. If your buttercream gets soft, it will get melty a little bit and they won't want to stay in. If this does happen, then we will just pop these babies back in the fridge for a few minutes and they will get ready so you guys can definitely come back and decorate them. They'll harden up a little bit. And then we're gonna just get a few of these brown crunchy sprinkles and we're gonna put them on top. It's okay if they don't all go in the right exact place. Like I said, this is all just fun. I think he needs more hair. Put as much on as you want. There, now he's got some brown hair on top and all over. But, like I said, it's just having fun with it. Oh, he's cute. And if you want to go back and pick them off later, you can. If you don't like the ones that have fallen down a little bit. But I actually think it's kind of cute. Okay, after that, I've got green sprinkles and just some cute stuff. I'm just going to add a little bit of extra on here. Just because I like sprinkles and I think that they need a little bit of something. So, there you have it. We have little Frankenstein, super easy. Anybody can do them. Cupcakes. Thank you for tuning in today and helping me make these fun Frankenstein cupcakes. As you can see, they're just super silly and they're just fun and your kids can make them. And I know my kids love making these. They just think it's so fun because it's easy and they can do it. So, kid-friendly cupcakes today. Frankenstein, you could call them monsters, you could do whatever you want with them, but I think they turned out pretty cute and I think that your kids will all love them too. So I hope you guys had fun today. I have more Halloween cupcakes coming this week, so stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks, guys.